Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to install Docker on Ubuntu, step by step. I will be explaining each command along the way, so you understand exactly what's happening during the installation process. Let's get started. Before we install Docker, it's important to remove any old or conflicting versions of Docker that might already be on your system. The problem is that Ubuntu and other Linux distributions often have unofficial packages like docker.io or podman docker that can cause conflicts with the official Docker version. We will run a command to loop through and remove any of these conflicting packages. Here's the command. This command uses a simple for loop to go through each of these packages, docker.io, docker.doc, docker compose, and others. It checks if any of them are installed on your system and then uses sudo apt-get remove to uninstall them. If none of these packages are installed, you will see a message that says so, and you can move on to the next step. Now that the old versions are gone, we can proceed to set up Docker's official repository. This ensures we're installing the most up-to-date and secure version of Docker from Docker's own sources. First, we update the package list to get the latest version information using the command sudo apt-get update. This doesn't install anything, but it fetches the latest package information, which is crucial for the next steps. Next, we will install two important tools, CE certificates and curl. The command is sudo apt-get install CE certificates curl. CE certificates helps ensure that your system can verify the authenticity of the Docker repository. Curl is a tool that allows us to download files from the internet, and we'll use it to fetch Docker's GPG key. We then create a directory to store Docker's GPG key using the command sudo install m0755d etc apt keyrings. This command creates a directory called etc apt keyrings with the right permissions to store Docker's security key. Next, we will download Docker's official GPG key and save it in the directory using the command. This command fetches the Docker GPG key using curl. The FSSL options ensure the download happens quietly, and the O option tells curl to save the file as docker.asc in our newly created directory. Finally, we set readable permissions on the key file so it can be accessed using the command sudo chmod a+r etc apt keyrings docker.asc. With the key in place, we need to add Docker's repository to our system using the command. This command adds Docker's official repository to your system's apt sources. It pulls in the correct architecture, like AMD64, and the code name for your version of Ubuntu, such as Focal or Jammy. Lastly, we update the package list again to reflect the new repository. Sudo apt-get update. After doing this update, the system knows where to fetch Docker from. Now that we have Docker's repository set up, it's time to install Docker itself, along with a few additional components. The command to do this is sudo apt-get install docker cli container.io docker build x plugin docker compose plugin. The Docker CE package is Docker's Community Edition, which provides the core Docker engine needed to run containers. Alongside it, Docker CECLI is the command line interface that allows users to interact with Docker through the terminal. Docker relies on container.io as its container runtime, responsible for managing the lifecycle of containers. Additionally, the Docker Build X plugin offers enhanced capabilities for building Docker images with extra features, while the Docker Compose plugin simplifies the management of multi-container applications, making it easier to deploy and orchestrate complex setups. This command installs Docker and all the necessary components in one go. Once Docker is installed, we should verify that everything works as expected. The simplest way to do that is by running the command sudo docker run hello world. This command tells Docker to download a small test image called Hello World from Docker Hub and run it in a container. If Docker is set up correctly, you will see a message saying, Hello from Docker, on your screen, confirming that Docker is installed and running properly. And there you have it. Docker is now installed and running on your Ubuntu system. You're ready to start building and running containers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.